On the edge of a quiet town named Moonvale, where stars painted the sky like silver dust, stood an ancient tree that could whisper. At least, that's what everyone said, but no one had ever been brave enough to listen. No one except a little girl named Luna. Luna was only 8, with hair like morning sunlight and a heart full of wonder. She didn't believe in just stories. She believed that magic hid behind ordinary things, if only someone cared enough to look. That night, under a golden moon, Luna wrapped her red scarf tight, took her little lantern, and whispered to herself. The air shimmered with mystery. The closer she walked, the more alive the night became. Leaves swaying, stars twinkling, and then a voice. As the branches swayed, a golden light appeared inside the trunk, a glowing seed, warm and alive. The golden seed floated into Luna's palms.
Have you ever wished you could create full AI-generated videos? Complete with stories, characters, animations, and voiceovers, without paying a single dollar? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, using only free tools that anyone can access today. What I'm about to share with you isn't something you'll usually find on YouTube. Most creators keep these tools secret because they want to sell you paid courses or subscriptions. But here, you'll learn how to create original videos that no one else has on their channel. Professional, creative, and completely unique AI-generated videos, from story to animation to final edit, all for free. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, or someone who simply loves storytelling, this tutorial will open a brand new world of creative possibilities. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and stay with me until the end, because by the time you finish this video, you'll be able to create amazing animated stories that could easily go viral on YouTube. Let's dive in and start creating magic with AI. So, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening ChatGPT, because this is where the magic begins. We'll be using a very powerful prompt to generate a complete story for kids. Don't worry, I'll leave this prompt for you in the description below so you can use it for free. Now, let's go into ChatGPT and paste the entire prompt. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will begin generating a full children's story for us, complete with the opening hook, the adventure, the challenge, and the resolution. As you can see, ChatGPT instantly starts building our stories step by step. When it's done, we'll have a complete script that we can use with another free AI tool to generate the images for our story. Once the story is finished, we'll copy it from the opening hook all the way to the ending, so we can move to the next step.
Step 2. Creating the AI characters and story video. Next, we'll open a free AI storytelling tool. It's honestly an amazing platform. It gives you some free credits to create your story. And while it does have a paid version, the free plan is more than enough for what we need. Personally, I think this tool is even better than Magic Light. There are 2 main sections inside this tool. AI Character Generator, where you can create your custom characters, and Story Video Generator, where you can turn your story into a complete animated video. We'll start with creating our story using the 3D cartoon style. You can also choose cinematic, realistic, or fantasy styles, but for this tutorial, we'll use the 3D cartoon option. This tool can generate videos up to 30 minutes long, but since we're using the free version, we'll create a 1-minute demo to show you how it works. For the video layout, we'll choose 16:9 landscape, which is perfect for YouTube long-form videos. You can also select portrait mode for TikTok, Instagram, or Shorts, but today we'll stick to landscape. As for the language, the tool supports many, including English, French, and Spanish. We'll select English for our example. Then, we'll paste our story prompt into the text box. Just make sure it doesn't exceed 20,000 characters. Now, let's click Create Story, and the tool will begin generating the full project. Step 3. Generating characters and storyboards.
Within a few minutes, the tool will generate our story and the main characters. Look at these. They look incredible. The quality of the characters is amazing. You can clearly see how detailed and expressive they are. Next, the tool will automatically create the storyboard, producing all the images for our story. Just give it a few minutes to complete this process. Once it's done, you'll see all the scenes laid out beautifully. If you want to regenerate specific images, you can do that easily. Just click Regenerate. But honestly, these results already look fantastic. Look at the level of detail and lighting. Truly impressive, right? Step 4. Preparing and saving the images. Now, before we move to the animation phase, we'll save all these images to our computer. Make sure to name and number each image correctly. This will help you stay organized and maintain the proper story sequence later. Once everything is saved, we'll move to the next tool to animate these static images. Step 5. Animating the images, bringing the story to life. The next tool we'll use is another free AI animation tool. I've already explained how to use it in a previous video. You can check that one out if you need more details. Simply create a free account and you'll get enough credits to start animating your images. Now, let's upload our first image and add the animation prompt. You can either use your own prompt or copy the one I'll leave in the description. Paste your prompt, then click Generate Animation. Once the tool finishes rendering, you'll see the image come to life. We'll repeat the process for all the remaining images, one by one, until we have animated videos for every scene. Step 6. Creating the voiceover with ChatGPT and Google Studio. Now that our visuals are ready, it's time to create the voiceover. We'll go back to ChatGPT again, paste our story, and use a special prompt to generate the narration script for the video. Once ChatGPT provides the full voiceover text, we'll copy it and move to the next tool. For this step, we'll use Google Studio, which is a completely free and unlimited AI voice tool. No subscriptions, no limits. Choose a voice that matches your story's mood, male, female, young, or mature, then paste your voiceover text into the editor and click Run. Within seconds, your story will have a natural-sounding narration.
Edge of a quiet town named Moonvale, where stars painted the sky like silver dust, stood an ancient tree that could whisper. At least, that's what everyone said. But no one had ever been brave enough to listen. No one except a little girl named Luna.
The result is amazing, right? You don't need to use expensive tools like 11 Labs. This free Google Voice tool works perfectly for storytelling videos. Once done, download the final voiceover file to your computer. Step 7. Final editing, combining everything in CapCut. Now comes the most exciting part, editing everything together. We'll open CapCut, create a new project, and import all the animated clips along with the voiceover. Arrange your scenes in the correct order. That's why naming your files earlier was important. Add smooth transitions, gentle background music, and maybe some sound effects to make your story even more engaging. Once everything is aligned, review your video and export it in 16:9 format for YouTube. And that's it. Your complete animated story is ready. You've just created a professional children's video
on the
using
edge of a quiet
ChatGPT,
town named Moonvale,
AI image
where
generators,
stars painted the
AI
sky like
animation
silver dust,
tools, and
stood an
Google
ancient
Studio,
tree that could
all
whisper.
for free.
At least, that's
If you
what everyone
enjoyed
said,
this tutorial
but
and
no one
learned
had
something new
ever
today,
been brave enough
don't
to
forget
listen.
to like the video,
No one except a
subscribe
little
to the
girl
channel,
named Luna.
and share it with your
Luna
friends
was
to
only
help
8,
us grow
with
and
hair like
continue
morning
making
sunlight,
valuable
and a
tutorials
heart
like
full
this
of wonder.
one.
She
Remember,
didn't believe in
creativity
just
is
stories.
unlimited when you
She
know how to
believed that
use the
magic
right
hid
tools.
behind ordinary
So
things.
keep exploring,
If only
keep
someone
learning,
cared enough
and
to
keep
look.
creating.
That night,
And that's
under
it, my
a golden
friends.
moon,
You've just
Luna
learned
wrapped
how
her
to
red
create
scarf
a
tight,
complete
took her little lantern,
AI-generated
and
storytelling
whispered
video
to herself.
using only free tools.
The air shimmered with
From
mystery.
writing the story with
The closer she walked,
ChatGPT
the more
to
alive
generating
the night
3D
became.
characters,
Leaves
animating
swaying,
scenes,
stars
and
twinkling,
adding
and
realistic
then a
voiceovers,
voice.
you now have everything
As
you
the
need
branches
to
swayed,
produce your
a
own
golden
original
light appeared
content
inside the
that
trunk,
stands out
a
on
glowing
YouTube.
seed. warm
If this
and
tutorial
alive.
helped you or
The golden
inspired you
seed
to start
floated into
creating,
Luna's palms.
don't forget to
She
support
held
the
it
channel.
close.
It means a lot. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to join our community of creators, and share this video with your friends so they can learn and grow with you. Every comment, every share, and every subscription helps us bring you more free and powerful tutorials just like this one. So keep learning, keep creating, and remember, your creativity is your superpower. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I share weekly videos about AI tools, storytelling, and video creation, all completely free, so you can turn your ideas into reality without spending a cent.